Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Agoda.com for real estate. So we're going to talk, there are two sections for this video: buyer or slash visitor to a country and the hotel owner or so on. So we're going to go through these different people. So first of all, we're going to go with a regular visitor to a country who needs an hotel slash private stay slash airport transfers. All of this we're going to talk about today. So here, first of all, you will be welcomed into this general page. You'll have top destinations in your certain country, accommodation promotions, the overheard from travelers, popular destination outside the country that you are in, so Kuala Lumpur, Manila, Las Vegas in America, and so on. So for example, you enter a destination, so you want to go to Athens, for example. So we'll search Athens, and it will show you here Athens in United States. You'll say any date. So for example, we'll choose from April 2 to till 11th of April. We'll choose one room, for example, and one adult. Okay, so yep, that's it. And we'll search, click here on search. It will give you all properties slash hotels slash private villas or so on that are available in Athens with the price. So here $76 instead of 304, 110 instead of 300. So it will push all deals up and will show you the regular deals without any sales or so on down. Okay, you have here on the filters the minimum and maximum USD dollars, the popular filters, so the how many stars, washing machine, refrigerator, TV, smoking area, and so on. Okay, and you can again like modify certain things top here. You can make top reviewed, so the best reviewed there, the lowest price first, the distance from certain landmarks there, hot deals. So let's see the top reviewed, and let's see this one, for example. You will have here all photos of this place, so you'll have this photo, so on. Oh, I like this place, so I will see the available rooms. So it's from 145 USD dollars. It will give you an overview of what's there. It will give you how the rooms, the facilities, reviews, locations. So you can click here on reviews and it will tell you the service is 9.5 out of 10, cleanness 9.3, 8.9, 9.3, 8.5, and so on. It will tell you overview or the average of the reviews there, so 9.0, which is actually very good. And it will show you also recommended properties nearby this one. It will show you the property, number of floors 5, number of rooms 160, and so on. You can check in from 3 to 11 a.m. It will give you the all things and facilities that are available for this this property especially. Okay, so that's it for these properties. Let's go for the hotels and homes. Yep, private stays. So I want a private stay like a house like villa or so on. Let's click on search. It will load for you and it will give you other things like here. Remember this one, near all action in Athens. It will show you the place, overview of place, the review 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, so on, the price again, and the Sandy, the closest landmarks to it, and so on, like similar to the hotels that we had first. Okay, yep. So now you can see transport. So flights, buses, trains, ferries, airport transfer, car rentals. Let's look for flights. It will give you here flights from Agoda. So you choose your airport to, for example, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Choose your date and search. It will give you all flights that are going from your location slash from to your destination, arrival to destination. Okay, it All fly deal from here to here, Nesma Airlines, so on, depends on the airlines that is available. It will give you all deals, and here are the filters also. So you can book flights from Agoda also. You have buses if you want to book a bus. So here it will tell you from Cairo to, for example, Aghardaa, 28 March, one way, 2 passengers, buy the tickets. It will give you every day. So we have this bus by Go Bus from 13:30 to 20:30, so 1.5 till 8.5, so $9 per adult, and so on. It will give you all information about this bus. Trains, it will give you all information about trains, so it will load for here. 1 second. You'll have here travel planning in Asia. So for example, where to go: Cairo to Luxor, Ghardaa, Alexandria, Sharm el-Sheikh. For example, let's choose Sharm el-Sheikh. It will give you the buses also, because there aren't actual trains in Egypt, so it will give you buses if you don't have trains in Egypt. Okay, you can see ferries, so these big ships that take your car from a place to a place, so similar to this. Okay, Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Bangkok, Rangong. Excuse me for my pronunciation. Singapore to Kuala Lumpur, and so on. Here you have airport transfer, which is a new tab here with Agoda. It will load. Yep, so it will tell you pick up from, for example, CAI, Cairo International Airport. Wait, what? Cairo International Airport. To drop off to a certain place, let's say Mall of Egypt. For example, choose the date and the pickup date, the time, the number of travelers, and search. It will tell you Toyota Corolla or the model of the car. It will tell you when, if it's good or not, standard, meet and greet, trial seats, and so on. It will tell you the price, ride time 1 hour, or less, depends on the kind of car you're going to take. You can choose a bus if you want a bus for 20 people or 15 luggage bags. Trip.com, a mini bus if you want, so on, or private bus, private van if you need a private van. SUVs if you have a lot of bags, or even a small sedan if you're just a quick rider. Okay, yep. So, and lastly, the car rentals. So if you are traveling in a certain country and you need a car / SUV or / whatever you want to ride around the country that you're visiting. So pickup location, that you're going to pick up the car, driver age 30 till 65, pickup date, time, drop off date, time, search. Okay, so pickup location, I don't know, anywhere, then click search and it will give you a list of all the cars that are available for renting. So that's almost it. We have coupons and deals for hotels and so on. And lastly, we have the eSIM. Here be connected anywhere, anytime. It will show you. So the eSIM, does my phone support eSIM? So you can search, for example, your phone model. You can see Spain, for example, Portugal, United Kingdom, United States. So for example, let's search for United States. It will open. Choose your eSIM plan. So coverage United States, data, so the internet 33 gigabytes, valid for 7 days, USD dollars 8, so on. Yep. So global eSIMs, regional eSIMs, local eSIMs, depends on where do you want and how to install, supported devices, and about us. So that's it for regular people who are going to be visiting a country and not hosting people into their hotel / private property. But now let's go through, if you want to list your place / hotel or so on, to agoda.com. First you're going to click on list your place. it will tell you so if it's a regular private property home, or if it is an hotel and you want to list your hotel with them. So 125 USD per night booked, 17 night booked per month, $2,125 per month. Get booking fast, stand out from the competition, support, list any property types, so from hotel, apartment, house, and so many others. Reach a global audience, so you can reach more than 9 million people if you want to. Sign in and sign up for Agoda. Upload, set your prices, available days, see your listing go live in front of million travelers. So you will be paid using Agoda. People will pay to Agoda, and this money will be redirect to you using a certain fee to your accounts, bank accounts, or it will be stored into your account until you withdraw them. And that's it for today. It will ask you for the pictures of your home / hotel. It will how many floors if it's an hotel, rooms, and so on, your preferred pricing for that place, and so on. So that's it today for Agoda.com. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like the video today. Thank you.